Hey, what's going on? It's Dejan with Dejan Discovers, and you're back. I'm back. So let's snack. So I found these Fruity Pebbles candy bar. White chocolate. Not a big fan of white chocolate, but it's new and it caught my attention. And I love Fruity Pebbles though as well. So this name is broken. It's the other side. Smells just like the cereal, of course. Now, before I try this, I'm pretty sure since it's white chocolate, it's gonna taste like cereal and cereal and milk, whatever. You know what I mean. Let's see. Well, just by looking at it, I feel like it's not enough cereal in the pieces. Now, like I said, I'm not a big white chocolate fan, but I like this though. I got it at Walmart. It was like $1.48. I always gotta buy 2 or 3 of everything, just in case I like it. If I don't, I give it to somebody. But I'm gonna hold on to both of these though. So yeah, go pick this up, man. Walmart, $1.48. This is Dejan with Dejan Discovers. And until next time.